What is up, guys? We're here with another reaction. And today, guys, today we are here again with your boy. So today we are doing I'm putting my phone on silent because I don't want no disturbance. Guys, it's about to be fire. But before you do anything else, do this for me, please. Thank you for doing that, guys. Thank you for doing that. It really helped. It really helped the channel to grow, to help YouTube to push out the video them for me as well. Guys, Daily Duppy, Chip, without further delay, let's jump straight tonight. Let's go. Let's go.
Daily Duppy. Yo, like why always me, huh? Kinda feel like Mario Balotelli.
Wait the man, on my headphone them sound like them a jump out, so. The man start off the thing and say, yo, why, first of all, this video is gonna be pausing every 10 seconds or less. The man say, why always me? Why always me, dog? Me I feel like Mario Balotelli right now. Remember say Mario Balotelli are the Italian striker where you used to get BA backlogger and they have the infamous why always me? You see me? Pop on him top when him score. Yeah. That man I say, yo, why always me? Chip, big up yourself. Chip, your jacket bad to me, like your jacket. Let's go, bro.
Boy, you're just a student, not the prefect, boy. I don't like your attitude, it's smelly. Like, how many times have I stood my ground when these MCs chest up like they ready?
The man say, yo, how much time I have to prove myself against them pussy, yeah? How much time I have to prove myself against them boy, yeah? Them boy are not ready for this eater when me push out of the kitchen. Fire! Fire early. 16 seconds in, fire early. We not stop. Oh, I'm here. Why for the early? Shirley. Fire Shirley. Yeah, let's go.
I raise that bar, don't forget who's sensei. What you want arms, don't forget leg day. Grabbing my core, like I know who's dead, it's not grime. Listen.
Oh! Yo, pull that.
Times have I stood my ground when these MCs chest up like they ready. I raise that bar, don't forget who's sensei. What you want arms, don't forget leg day.
The man say, yo, me raise that bar, don't forget who are the sensei. Who are the bumbo clad sensei. Me are the sensei. Don't forget that. You see me? When I got gym, when I do member leg day, brother. At legs it start from. Legs at the. I want to Chip, pick up your bumbo clad self, youth. Let's go.
Grabbing my core, like I know who's dead, it's not grime. Listen, 2020 I was on my OVO shit, like trust me, October is mine. I hate.
Woo! Am this sign for OVO? Or is he sign for OVO? You know, say OVO Drake label. The man said 2020. You see me? I was OVO thing. You see me? I was just doing my own thing, and then boy, I go call me name. Oh, good man, it take it hot. Let's go.
When these MCs step out of line, fuck a machine, don't care if you're signed. To anyone saying they're the kings of anything, trust that's you lot's kings, not mine. Happy birthday.
Hey boy, hey youth, anybody can say them are the king. Let's get that straight. But king for who? King for who? King Kong. You are King Kong. You are Burger King. You are not king for me. That is what Chip is saying, not me. Chip is saying so, not me. You are Burger King, bro. You are no king. You are King Kong. What is wrong with you, blood? Let's go.
Birthday me, my B-day, you get birthday beats.
Wait.
Of anything, trust that's you lot's kings, not mine. Happy birthday me, my B-day, you get birthday beats.
Man say happy birthday to me. One lighter there. Lighter gone alright. Make me have more lighter. Know yourself. Lighter can go on. The man say, yo, happy birthday to me. You know, say in England, them have this thing where them give you birthday beats when time your birthday. That was back in the days. I'm not sure if they're still doing that. Back in the days, they used to give you birthday beats when it's your birthday. You see me? Your birthday, you get birthday beats. In Jamaica, we used to flower people. We not beat them, we flower them. You see me? So the man say, yo, my birthday, but you get the birthday beats. Know yourself, boy. Hey, boy! Let's go.
Can't lie, I don't really like MCs. Catch 22, cause I like MCing. Like, listen, I'm a big man, but I'm not. Yeah. Can't spit that one there anymore.
Hold on. Shot fire yes a while ago?
Me, my B-day, you get birthday beats. Can't lie, I don't really like MCs. Catch 22, cause I like MCing.
The man say, yo, I'm not like MC, you know. Not for an MC, but I'm not like Connie, you know. I'm not like Connie, dog. You see me? I just do this because I like MC, you know. I want, brother, MC say something, someone know.
Big man, but I'm not. Yeah. Can't spit that one there anymore. Man, wish that I weren't here anymore, but I'm still here. Hairline still at the front of my head. They ain't sitting in my chair anymore.
Bumbuckler! I need a break. I need a Kit Kat. need a Kit Kat.
I'm seeing. Like, listen, I'm a big man, but I'm not. Yeah. Can't spit that one there anymore. Man, wish that I weren't here anymore, but I'm still here, hairline still at the front of my.
The man said that little part they want to spit at the front. The man said, yo, you can't spit that anymore. That done gone already. Try something new. Then the man say, yo, listen, brother. My hairline still there at the front of my head where you're one there. You wish me never there. But guess what? Me there, me stain like a curry pan a white shirt. Me stain, brother. Me stain. Curry stain are the maddest stain in your white clothes. I am here. I am not going anywhere. No bleach can get me out. Fire! Water! Put it down. Put it down. Let's go.
My head ain't sitting in my chair anymore. 𝐉𝐀𝐿 Savior, we know who that is. Every 5 years gotta pop up and stop man capping. 50 years straight snapping.
Jesus Christ. The man said, I am the 𝐉𝐿 Savior. I am the 𝐉𝐿 Savior. Brother, 15 years me I do this, brother. 15 years. The man say, yo, every now and then you have to pop up and show them boy. I say, pussy, me still there. You are no king. You are no king, but a King Kong with titties. That is what you are, bro. That is what you... Hey, boy. Boy, king. What kind of king? King Isha. King Irella. King Bella. And me are the bumbuckler king. That's what Chipper said, not me. Let's go.
Primary squad, went test club, fake friend, checkmate. Them man cannot outfit.
What up,
man
what up?
captain, 50 years.
What up, man? What? Wait, Chip. Let me second myself. Oh, sir. Let's go.
Straight snapping. Primary squad, went test club, fake friend, checkmate. Them man cannot outthink me. Hate when I got a killer MC in front of everyone. It makes half the scene move kinky.
Bumbuckler. The man say, yo, me hate when me have to kill a MC now. Me hate, but them boy still a test my faith. Look how much time I prove myself. Brother, even if I chest and pussy and about that me, you can't go around my brain. You cannot go around the brain and the pen. Hey, bumbuckler, let's go, dog.
Acting like they can't see me, I know they hear me. Ain't gotta be a bad man for man to fear me. They ask what I do for a living, well, touch mic and get leery, I could.
Boy. Brother, you can act like you can't see me till you're blind like Stevie Wonder. You still a hear me, though. You still a hear me. Me not have to be bad man, brother, if you deal with the wicked. When you ask me what me do, me touch mic and spin a MC. Every boy, them boy in a rap. Leary upon the mic. Leary. What about muckle out there? What about muckle out there? Let's go.
Daily, Duppy, daily, fuck you, pay me, fuck you, cause you crazy. Load.
Huh? Huh? What?
Touch mic and get leery, I could. Daily, Duppy, daily, fuck you, pay me, fuck you, cause you crazy.
Bumbuckler, daily Duppy daily, fuck you, pay me. Yo, let's go.
Load it, lock it, off the safety, launch the rocket. That's my son, but not my baby.
Chip, fuck off, my youth! Chip, fuck off, dog! Chip, fuck off, my youth!
Pay me, fuck you, cause you crazy. Load it, lock it, off the safety, launch the rocket. That's my son, but not my baby.
The man said, load it, lock it, fire, have a rocket. I'm a son, but I'm a baby. You know what I mean? Them boy imitate my thing. Them boy look up to me. Me are the godfather for this. Them boy I'm a little youth them. But them man I'm a baby. Them boy look up to me. Me are the Jenna. Me are the bumbuckler general. Yo, people, me a cuss bad with this time. Fool. Be a bad with a cuss na this. Cause this a fire! Fire! Me bumbuckler, let's go.
Stardog, all these spitters are skunk. Them man couldn't even spin me drunk. Trying to get high like Bob, not high like Snoop. So I'm smoking cess for lunch.
To this. Me for react to something like this. Chip, what you do, brother? Chip, what you do, brother? Chip, what you do, dog? What you do, youth? What about muck out there, Chip?
They lock it, off the safety, launch the rocket. That's my son, but not my baby. Stardog, all these spitters are skunk. Them man couldn't even spin me drunk.
Stardog, them pussy a skunk. Them a skunk, them a punk. Them boy I could even go around me when me drunk. Them boy I can't test me when even when me drunk, brother. I'm not to drink from people. I'm not drink it. You say you can't poison my drink. You can't spike my drink. Me I say that part, but that, you know, let's go.
Trying to get high like Bob, not high like Snoop. So I'm smoking cess for lunch.
Trying to get high like Bob, not high like Snoop. So I smoke cess for lunch. Cess. Remember I say Snoop them smoke kush and skunk. I cess Bob smoking a brother. Cess the man smoking a that. Highest of the highest in the brother. The real. Let's go.
Can't have pagans know where you sleep. Trust me, moving house is not cheap. Me, I get money off lines, not money off a line. So of course I'll be touching the beat. You get.
Oh. You can't have them boy nourish where you live. You can't trust them boy. Yeah. You can't trust them. You can't have them nourish where you live, brother. Or if you have them boy nourish where you live. Yo, go back.
Trust me, moving house is not cheap. Me, I get money off lines, not money off a line. So of course I'll be touching the beat.
The man said moving house is not cheap. Remember, say not a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom house the man are moving in the brother. It's a mansion in the dog. It's a girl shan, you know. Wife in the mansion. Girl shan the man are moving in, you know. It's a girl shan the man are moving in. So it's not cheap, brother. Them ask me when me do, brother. Brother.
Trust me, moving house is not cheap. Me, I get money off lines, not money off a line. So of course I'll be touching the beat.
I get money off a line. I get money off a line. Now my book, we can't find my book. Money off a line. Not off a chop phone, brother. No, brother. And not my thing that. Big up the chopper them, but that is not my thing. Boom, let's go.
Get touched, I mean. Hey boy, you see it. Favorite acronym, cream. Them boy, that's a can't fool me. Foolery. Spin it, MC out his jewelry.
Chip. Never.
Money off lines, not money off a line. So of course I'll be touching the beat. You get touched, I mean. Hey boy, you see it. Favorite acronym, cream.
What the hell did you just say?
Line, so of course I'll be touching the beat. You get touched, I mean. Hey boy, you see it. Favorite acronym, cream.
What do you mean by that? I know what your Z mean, but what I mean by in favorite acronym is cream. What cream stand for? Please leave it in the comment section where cream stand for. Chip, that one that run over my head, even though you have the gun finger up, I know so you mean something bad, you see me?
Them boy that's a can't fool me, foolery. Spin it, MC out his jewelry.
Them boy that can't fool me, foolery. Me spin them boy out of them jewelry. Them boy don't want it over here. Yo, I'm tell you that. Let's go.
Don't know why they think they wanna clash until it's time to clash. This shit is not new to me. Fuck getting back to the way things were. Can't take man for it used to be.
Hey, yacht. You call up clash by yourself, you know, brother. Cause once you come at me house, I Stormzy my talk this, you know. I Stormzy my talk this. So I don't want nobody in the comment section, but it's not Stormzy. Yes, it is Stormzy. Yes, it is Stormzy. You don't want to call up clash until a clash time. You not ready. You not ready. You not ready. Don't sleep. Don't wake a sleeping lion, boy. Bumbo clock there.
It's time to clash. This shit is not new to me. Fuck getting back to the way things were. Can't take man for it used to be.
Brother, this is not a fist to punch thing and we cool tomorrow. No, dog. This personal, brother. You come at my yard. This personal. It can never be back where it used to be, brother. Friendship, me and them boy can't friend again. Can't friend again. Think me was my brother there. Me and them boy. Bumbo clot. This is gonna be a long video, people. This is gonna be a long video. I'm sorry. Let's go.
I love when they tag me in petrol station bits or petrol station pics. You'll pay me, I'll make your petrol station lit. Get Shelly and
Jesus God, what's that? Yo, bumbo clot. Why did I react to this?
Fuck getting back to the way things were. Can't take man for it used to be.
Alright, well, let me brace myself in that part, you know. Wait. Oh. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh.
I love when they tag me in petrol station bits or petrol station pics. You'll pay me, I'll make your petrol station lit. Get Shelly and petrol station chip.
Yeah, I'm not saying nothing there, so. I'm not saying anything there. I am not saying anything pertaining to what him just said a while ago. Left that part there. Chip, that part there. Left it. Me done this, so.
I'm not off this petrol station thing. Better stay out my way. This phase I'm in. No mercy, I'll piss on the grave you're in. Believe that.
Hey boy, no mercy, me not sure. No mercy for the wickeds. No mercy for the boy that might try to bring me down. Me will piss on your grave like dark cock and piss. You know what dark cock and piss? Yeah, me got it. Me will kill your guy your graveside and piss on your grave. That is disrespectful. That is so disrespectful.
Yo, late nights bored in lockdown, reading my YouTube comments and checking reaction vids.
What? Chip, check the reaction. Chip, check the video.
Believe that? Yo, late night sport in lockdown, reading my YouTube comments and checking reaction vids plus 22 podcast done.
Bala. Who said Chip not check reaction? Chip, me know say I watch a reaction right now, me J. Big up yourself, me J. Please follow me at Jamaica's _verse_gamer_react. Chip, big up a bumper class self, dog. Chip, big up yourself.
Late night sport in lockdown, reading my YouTube comments and checking reaction vids plus 22 podcast done. No, everybody know that I got bars, but.
Everybody knows I'm have bars. I'm not talking about behind the bars. Everybody knows I'm have bars, like bars. Bars. Everybody knows I'm have bars. That is no joke. Let's go.
But some people's opinions seem so biased. Gotta get to the bottom of the reasons. Probably got a cousin or sister, ex-gal or baby mama might have been beaten.
What is your reason if you don't like me? What is your reason if you don't like me? Either me touch your mother, your auntie, your female cousin, your sister, your grandmother. Me joke off the whole of your female family them. Me joke off the whole of your female family them. That is why you don't like me? Eh? Me thief your white fall? Eh? Me thief chicken out of your plate? Why you don't like me? There's no reason why you don't like me. Hey boy, man.
I jumped in the 𝐷𝐍, the driver looked back and saw me, turn around and just turned the radio off. It was a pagan playing.
What?
I jumped in the 𝐷𝐍, the driver looked back and saw me, turn around and just turned the radio off. It was a pagan playing.
He's taking the piss. He's taking the piss. The man said I'm jumping at Addison Lee at the taxi company in London. The man say, yo, me jumping at Addison Lee. The driver look around and see me. The man turn off him radio. It was a pagan plane. Him knows the Chip no one hear no pagan. Him knows the Chip no one hear them idiot song there. Put on a Chip. Bumbuckler. Run a Chip.
Told him I ain't in my feelings, play it. Never been a
I'm not in my feelings. Yo, still play it. Still play it, brother. Me still good. Play it.
But I'm cheeky, man. Don't want this graffiti. It's art when I'm spraying. 15 years in this thing, got the thick as a skin. Give a fuck what people are saying.
Yo, a art when me a spray, brother. And a nonsense when me a spray. A art. 15 years not the thing, man. Still there. Thick skin. Boost. Me not a muscle still, but muscle. You see me? Man, there's gonna be a long video, people. We never halfway through the video yet and look at the video long. Me no business. Stay here. We here. We having fun.
Yeah, you better celebrate that. Chip turn 30, celebrate that. Everyday B-day with a K-cat.
Yo, celebrate that, youth. 15 years. Do the maths now. Do the maths now, man. 15 years we in this. 15 years me I do this. See? That's what Chipper say. 15 years me I do this. I'm here 30, brother. Me I do this half of my life. Me I do this before me an adult. Me I do this before I'm legally allowed to drive. That's what the man I said to you, dog. I'm a joke. Brother, Chip is a monster in this, dog. No joke.
Yeah.
Chip is taking a piss.
On my tape.
Yo, next rhythm is coming, you know. Right there.
Sick. Yeah. Fuck, I'm turning 30 and it's making me sick, G.
This is a way different. Okay. I think when do him talk about from the first song. So him talk about from the first freestyle. He talk about the beef with him and Stormzy that go on ready and them man they run. Stormzy run. Stormzy you run, brother. Don't tell me say you run. You run, man. You're back way. You see me? You back up out of the business, dog. Brother, chill. The man up on a different flexion now. No one say fuck. I'm turning 30 and let's go.
Just thinking why I haven't got a wife and a picnic. This penthouse is nice, but need a house in the sticks, B. Literally, they never told me that.
The man say, yo, me I turn 30, dog. Me not have no picnic, me not have no wife. But here what? The penthouse nice, but want a house, not the sticks, not the middle of nowhere. Woo.
This rap team will come with pain. It's hard being famous when your brothers ain't. What would like?
Yo, this rap game is not a joke. The man say, yo, listen to me, dog. It's hard being famous, especially when your brother is not. It's hard enough, dog. It's hard enough.
Be like in another lane. You see a rap scene, me I see the Hunger Games. It's raining for weed until my stomach aches.
Brother, you see the rap scene, me see a Hunger Game. A weed and rum. Ray and nephew, Ray and him nephew. Ray and him nephew. White rum, Jamaican famous white rum. White spirit. And that me feed pan, brother. For ease the pain.
Like fuck a city girl when the city's wild. Just Pedal back and trying to find my inner child. Gangster rap popping, still ain't no tight beat, I can't slot in.
Okay, let's go, brother, let's go.
Got wavy and cool, still in style, A rock and a hard place, are you in between it?
A rock and a hard place, are you in between it? He's asking a question. I'm not saying in between it, he ask a question. Let's go.
See, there's good verse, evil, and the in-betweeners. How many times can Chippy tell you he don't trap? The same amount of times these rappers tell you they so crack.
How much time you tell us we not chat? The same amount of time them liar boy I tell us them sell crack. Them enough of them boy I say, yo, I used to be on the street doing what? Going to the shop where your mother send you. Be on the street doing what? Thiefing out of your house because remember say your mother grounded you. Be on the street doing what? Be on the street doing what? Lie.
I'm back in my own bag. I plug in my own jack. And I'll get my own back. Cause I got my own back.
Brother, not bad enough to have man back. Me have my own back. Me personally have my own back. Me don't want a man back on me, brother. Stand up beside me, dog. Me have my own plug, dog. No man not tell me what to do. No boy not tell me what to do. You see? Let's go.
You don't believe in karma, well you should because it helps. Anyone who ever robbed me got it worse from someone else. And then
any boy ever rob me, anybody ever rob me, get it worse from someone else. Get it worse. Karma is a B-I-T-C-H. Karma is a B-I-T-C-H. It is. Believe in that.
You gal who done me dirty, life sucks now. If you're good and why'd your baby daddy bust out?
Any girl will try disrespect me. Any girl will try go around me. Any girl will try give me bun. Them life suck now. Them have 4 pitney. Them are not 38. Then they pay council money. They live in a council house. Them hug boat lead to the side. Lean like when Lewis Hamilton take a corner in a F1 car. Lean hugs. Them girls not go with nothing. Them a drive when people carry a go to school run a morning time. Them house dirty like out a door. You have to walk. When I reach at them front door, you have to wipe your foot to go into them house. That is how them a live right now. Let's go.
I need a God-fearing gal who's gonna pray for my survival. If men are trash, cool, safe, gal are recycled.
Yeah. Need a God-fearing gal who gonna pay for my survival, brother. If man is trash, woman recycle. You can't do a woman, brother.
Sin inside my eyeballs, I need to read the Bible. Smoking on this eye tool, higher than the Eiffel Tower. I run out of bars when the sky falls and
the man say, yo, anytime Chip run out of bars, I when the sky fall. That are the only time. So keep dreaming, keep looking at this guy and say, please, sky fall long, no? That's when Chip run out of bars. Never. Let's go.
James Bond is black and Kane is resurrected in
What?
power. I run out of bars when the sky falls and James Bond is black and Kane is resurrected in
the only time me I go run out of bars when the sky fall, me said that already. When James Bond turn black, in just show Idris Alja on the screen. Alja, I don't know his name. Idris, big up yourself. And when time Kane his name, get resurrected.
Power. I run out of bars when the sky falls and James Bond is
see it there. See the James Bond something there when I can't say.
black and Kane is resurrected in power.
Kanan is resurrected in power. It's 50 Cent in a power. That's the only time. And 50 Cent dead in a power. So that not gonna happen. That will never happen.
And I ain't even saying that I dropped the blueprint. But if I drop dead today, I left a lot of music. About a penny for my thoughts. I need M's for these bars. Cause it's
brother, me not say me have the blueprint, but dog, if me drop dead to them, yo, my music up. You see me?
game would be knackered without my 2 pence. And I ain't got no rap songs about who my knife went in. So sorry dog, you might not relate when I'm penning.
Listen, Chip is not pretending to be a bad man. Chip, I tell you straight, so listen, I was never a bad man. Me never try pretend that, me never try bring the life to tune and say, yo, me a gangster, me this, and me not have no lyrics about that. So if it's not for you, then move along. It is for somebody else.
But follow my trail, I teach you how to not go to jail, but get it from cells. Just start when you're younger, it helps.
Straight. The man I tell us, say, yo, follow him lead, dog. Follow him pen skills. Follow him I set here. Follow him music. My teacher not figure out jail young youths. Youth, him a teach you not to go to jail, brother. That's what the man say him a teach you no dog. You see me? He's not a gangster rapper, brother. And he's never preached to be that. That's why I have to rate the man, dog.
And don't smoke skunk if your brain can't hack it. Cause I've seen broccoli, tom and cabbage.
Bumbleclot. Yo, the man I say him say we turn somebody in a cabbage. But him red plate, broccoli and cabbage. Remember say when you have cabbage you can't move in a dog. Missy to it in a dog.
I've seen good youths just turn savage. Sick of getting bullied, so he backs it out and shoves it in your stomach. Now the hood's fearing him. That's
It always happen, you know. One time a man stand up to a bully and take out the whole community start to rate him and fear him at the same time. You see me?
how it happens. Repertoire for badness. He left ketchup on your canvas. Trust me, harangues are madness, and all these quotes are elaborate.
Shit, that one a deep like submarine. That one a deep like the blue sea.
Been in the lab with cold sarsaparilla and a mad spliff. 90s babies all came through, but I'm the captain.
Man, I captain, dog. Big up the editor too, you know. Big up the editor too, you know. Editor, big up yourself, you know, brother. Editor, big up yourself, dog.
Killing off my brain cells, I still got a billet, fam. A Black's funeral, just crying buckets with skinny man.
Wow. R.I.P. Black. Black the Ripper. Cause the man Black used to be friend, though. Yo, Jano.
In black in England, it's like you're born in debt. Is there more to life than born, pay bills and dead?
When you're black in any country, not just England, when you're black in any country, America, Jamaica, even though Jamaicans are black, that's why enough people bleach them skin out here. When you're black, brother, it's a sin, brother. It's like you're born in a poverty when you're black, brother. There's thing called white privilege, brother. Big up the white people them over here. But there's thing called white privilege. You're born with that, dog. So certain things, the door is open for you. We as black people, we have to fight for that weapon. No joke.
I feel like Swake, I just haven't got the answers. My deepest thoughts with 2 hands on a casket. Thinking I'm a chief, make me paro till I fucking buy a piece. Trust me.
Jesus Christ, man. Yo, that video I get too long. We need to hurry up and end.
I will go to war for my peace. Don't know why I still look young, I barely even sleep. Forgot it was a bee, they had to blame it on the weed.
The man say, yo, man, I still look young. You don't look nothing like 30. You don't look nothing like 30, dog. The man say, I blame it on the weed because him hardly sleep. How him do it? The man say, yo, I forgot it. It was my B-day, brother. No joke, I forgot.
Got an ounce on me, I smoke MCs, bounce on beats.
Yo, I have an ounce for me. I smoke MC, red play. I have an ounce for me. Ounce of weed, that's why I make you think, that's why the editor put this up, but that it mean. I have an ounce for me, I smoke. Who me smoke? MC. You see me? Bounce on the beat. Hey!
You're a king in what castle? You get bounced on beat. I got smoke for anybody.
You're a king in what castle? You're a king in what castle? You will get bounced on in a yard. Bounce the castle. Get it? Man, a rare place. Say you're no king again.
Yeah, I got smoke for anybody looking clout from me.
Yo, hey boy, if you look clout, put gunshot to your mouth. If you look clout, put copper to your mouth. Me have it for you, brother. Me have the smoke for you. Go and look clout. Clout you want, clout you shall get. Go on.
As you've seen, dickhead. You wanna cheer for someone else, son? True, I've been there so long and still entering the charts, my own.
The man say, yo, you want to cheer for somebody else? Go ahead. Why? Because I've been here so long and I'm still in the chart. Me still hot like fire. Me still hot like summer in Egypt. Me still hot like lava. Me still hot, me still hot in the brother. So cheer for who you want to cheer for, but me still there.
Pairs don't even wanna tell me well done. Better wish me well done, cause pussy I ain't well done.
You got back this now? Chip low it.
My own pairs don't even wanna tell me well done. Better wish me well done, cause pussy I ain't well done.
Hey, the man say him one peers no want tell him well done. Him one peers them. Him one work colleague them hate him. Fellow MCs hate him. They no want tell him well done. Cause they fear him, brother. See, fear is a hell of a thing, you know. Fear. Hey.
Don't know why it's called United Kingdom, cause this place ain't united or a kingdom.
I'm not saying nothing there. I am not saying anything about that bar there. I hope you guys understand it. See it?
Don't know why it's called United Kingdom, cause this place ain't united or a kingdom. This place.
Yeah? You hear? Alright, let's move along.
Don't embrace kids and immigrants unless they famous. You choose embrace the fake, love or die nameless.
Them not embrace immigrants unless them famous. Them not embrace certain things unless you are famous. You know that's cool.
When I get my Sony masters back, I'm up, trust me. Almost my other masters out, they can't bump me.
Let's go, man.
If I put these all on the wall, it would look lovely. But I keep my plaques on the floor cause I'm still hungry.
Straight. The man said, me not put nothing on the wall in the dog. Me not put nothing on the wall. Me still hungry over here, so. Me still hungry. Me still dehydrated. Me still need water. Me still need drink. Me still want food on my plate. Me not put them plaque on the wall, phone seat and things on my belly full. I'm comfortable. Nope, I am uncomfortable. I am sleeping on a rock stone. I am uncomfortable. Let's go.
Starving, Marvin, barring. I was fully here since then, boy, there wasn't half in this. All fun and games until
Jesus. Yo, let's go.
my pen gets the clotting. But I was born in marriage, but trust I'm still a bastard with it. Nah.
I was born in marriage, but I'm still a bastard with it. I'm an unruly pitney. Big up papi. I'm an unruly pitney. Even though I was born in a marriage. Blood clot. Fire!
The lyrics, this is confidence, not narcissism. Rasta rhythm, run it like a zoo from start to finish.
Wow! Ah!
Like what you mad about, dog? Guess you mad about bars, can't mad about bars.
Want some water? Yo, Chip is so confident with it, brother. Chip is so confident with this shit, brother. Yo, video done now. Pray now. Snakes and Ladders coming out January 29th, 2020. Snakes and Ladders. I look out for that one, the Chip. I look out for that. Come here, go react. Make sure you drop some video too. People. Paper. I could sum up that one quick and fast. Chill. As expected, Chip brought the fire. As expected, Chip brought the fire. Chip brought them different wordplay, some punch, some similes, some metaphors, all there. Chip pen skills is out of this world. We know that. You know that too. So don't deny it. Chip watch reaction channel. Chip, if you watch my channel, make sure you like it, brother. You don't have to subscribe. Just like it, my G. Just like it, my G, and just give a little shape on your page, dog. Big up yourself, Chip. Big up yourself, Chip. You see me? Yeah. Them don't want it with Chip. Chip can run out of bars. You see me? Big up all the other reaction channel them as well. You don't know. Big up on yourself, dog. When I'm a work colleague, even though I don't know like that. But when I'm a work colleague, see me. Big up on yourself. Guys, if you enjoy this reaction, I want to support the channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate it. You see? So I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright? Peace.